Have you ever wondered how you can extend your growing season and enjoy year-round harvests? The art of extending the growing season is accessible to garden enthusiasts of all levels, without the need for fancy equipment or complex skills. Stay with us to discover some simple steps to extend your harvest and enjoy your garden's bounty all year long. First, understand your local climate. Recognizing your area's typical first and last frost dates is crucial, as it influences what crops can thrive and when. With this knowledge, you can select crops that are suitable for your area and plan your planting schedule accordingly. Next, choose your crops wisely. Some plants brave the chill, while others bask in warmth. By diversifying your garden with a mix of these, you'll secure a ceaseless bounty of fresh produce. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and your garden. Finally, make use of season extension techniques. Embrace the magic of cold frames, greenhouses, and row covers. These marvels shield your plants from frost, prolong the growing season, and can even foster winter growth. With a little creativity and planning, you can enjoy the fruits of your garden all year round. And that's how you can extend your growing season. By understanding your local climate, choosing the right crops, and utilizing season extension techniques, you'll enjoy year-round harvests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!